Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Swift Programming for Beginners. I'm Koda Shah. As usual, before you proceed to the lesson, go to http://rappel.it/languages/swift. In this lesson, you'll learn how to handle errors in your program. Of course, it's not a perfect world. Sometimes your users or even yourself will make mistakes. The important thing is that your program is able to handle those errors gracefully. Here's an example. At the top of the screen here, I have an enumeration. The name of this enumeration is web page error. It conforms to the error protocol. It has two conditions. It can either be successful or it can fail. Which is to say, if you're trying to access a web page, you can either access the web page or you can fail to access the web page. In the case of a failure, we are going to associate an error code. This error code will be of type integer. Here you have a function, getWebPage. It takes a URL and it takes a Boolean value. The keyword throws here means this function can fail. And if it fails, it will throw an error. The result of this function is a string. If the Boolean value side up is false, you will get an error. If the Boolean value is true, it returns success. So for this code snippet here, I'm assigning www.apple.com to web page URL, and I'm assigning website up to true. In this code snippet, I'm assigning the value of the getWebPage function to site up. If the site is up, I should see success being printed. Let's run the program. And you get success. However, if I set website up to false, oh boy. So what happened here is the method threw an error and your program crashed. Now ideally, you want to handle this in a more graceful manner. One way of doing that is by using a do catch block. In a do catch block, the do part of the block, you try to do something. In this case, let status try get web page. If there is an error, the statements in the catch block are executed. Let's see the difference when I run the program now. You see I get an error code 404. So I hope this short tutorial is useful to you. I hope you have learned how error handling works in Swift. This is the last lesson. What I'll be doing is I'll be going over all the material that I presented in this series, and I'll be cleaning up and trying to make all of it better. If you would like to continue your learning journey, I have written a book on the subject, iOS 13 Programming for Beginners. It's currently on offer at Amazon. I'd really appreciate it if you could buy my book, and I'll be coming up with all kinds of content soon. So for the time being, thanks very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye.